really sick, you can like wheeze. Like, listen to this. Bro, it's just, I've been like dying all day because of that. It's just hilarious. So I'm just trying to make you maybe get a laugh out of you. So peace.